Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And in this particular video, as discussed yesterday, we will discuss about my P&L report of Zerodha and my options learning journey and what is my trades and how it went through. I'll just share my experiences, also my report, so that a lot of people who are learning along with me will get an idea of what they have done, what I have done, and where are the areas we can improve, my advices, my experiences, and till now what has happened to me. We will discuss about it. For a new viewer to this particular channel, then you can watch the playlist Option Beginner series, and you can also start learning along with and connect with me. In this channel, basically we discuss whatever I do in terms of trading, whether I'm learning or whether I'm doing live trading, I'm learning new concepts. I try to share my experience, thought, and advices, and my opinions change also as and my experience changes. That everything is done in this particular channel. So if you also want to learn more about trading, then you can also follow this particular channel by hitting the subscribe button. So today we are going to discuss about my option selling Zerodha account, not my options buying or equity or futures. This is just to my option selling where I've deployed most of my capital. In terms of my options buying, my strategy or my setup, I'm not fully confident about it. I'm still backtesting back to back with small capital. When I find a proper risk reward ratio is coming out, that is when I will deploy higher capital, and I'll definitely share with you guys about it. But as of now, I'm pretty little bit confident about my option selling, and that's the reason after a lot of back testing I came into option selling with smaller capital. And now from April month, I deployed a bigger capital, around 30 to 35 lakh is what I have deployed in this account. Of course, I will not use complete money to trade. Yes, I will keep some money for drawdown, but yes, 30 to 35 lakh is the account for option selling I have kept in Zerodha. And it was basically a challenging quarter for a lot of people. June also was a challenging month. Last 2 months also was a challenging month. A lot of them are still in drawdowns, and I saw a lot of drawdown during this period. So I got a lot of opportunity to learn during this time. In the short period of time, I saw a lot of difficulties, and I'm sure that during difficult times, if you're able to manage when the situations are easy, it's easy to make money. So during this difficult situation, somehow I managed and came out from the market thankfully positive, and I'm happy that I didn't lose my capital. So my main goal was to protect my capital first and get confident on my setup, and slowly then take later risk based on the situations. Now, until and unless because of this war or recession, until and unless the market doesn't settle properly with proper directions, there will be a lot of challenges, a lot of stop losses hitting back to back. So I need to protect my capital first, and that's the reason I trade in Nifty and rather than in Bank Nifty. So this is my console, my Zerodha account for option selling, which I'm using basically, and I'll just show you first June 1st to June 15. Okay, so if you see here, this is my futures and options trades which I have taken from 1st to 15th. If you see here, we went negative almost again, charges of 13,000. Overall 53,000 drawdown for the particular month, and it was a negative month and difficult month. And later on is when we recovered the money. If you see here from 16th to 30th, I made around 86,000 rupees, and again charges of 8,000 and 77,000 rupees came into picture. Overall, the month looks like this. After a negative dip, we finally recovered our losses for the month and again came positive by end of the month. 46,000 rupees, and again charges, when we lose money we have to pay charges, when you win you have to pay charges. Overall it came up to 21.6, and somehow we ended up with positive 24 to 25,000 rupees is what we got for this particular month, around 1% of the capital. So if you look at these trades, this is how the month started with a profit in the first day, and then came the Thursday where traders make money. But unfortunately, the volatility was so high that we made loss on this particular day. 28,000 loss. We took up 28,000 loss, and again after that 3,000 loss, and Monday 8,000 loss. So back-to-back losses, around 30,000 went away in the first 4 trading days. And then came a small 4,000 profit, and then came a 30,000 a big loss into picture, which happened very quickly because of the volatility in the market. Later we made around 16,000 rupees. Again, it was expiry day, so luckily we made 16,000 time decay, and after that a small loss of 4,000 rupees, and Monday a small loss of 12,000 rupees. Slowly we made around 9,000 rupees profit, and again a small loss of 2,800 rupees. And then again came the expiry, we made around 24,000 rupees, and then we made a 16,000 loss. Then came the Monday, which took away 30,000 loss. So basically, if you see here, I have stopped myself around 30,000 rupees, not allowing more than 30,000 rupees to go away from my account. Once 30,000 hits, I'm stopping the trade. If not till end of the day, I will wait, and maybe end of the day 28,000 rupees it stopped, or end of the day 4,000 it stopped, or end of the day 4,000 rupees profit we stopped. That's how the losses has been taken. And if you see here till 20th, we were in negative, and the month looked negative, and slowly we made a profit of 21,000 rupees, and then small 11,000 loss. And then came the Thursday, 43,000 rupees, which covered most of our previous losses, and then a 12,000 rupees. So finally, a week which made me happy and came back to back somewhere closer to our reducing the losses for the month. And then came the Monday, 16,000 rupees profit, 14,000 profit, 1,000 profit, and 10,000 profit. This you would have seen in my live trading videos, which I just recorded few days back, 4 days back, continuous live trades. And these were the other trades which we had done before that. Yes, these are the trades, how it went. And the last week finally allowed me to come back above my, yes, the losses were getting covered. Slowly the last week gave me money, and it also covered the charges and came into positive. So I'm happy that this particular month, it's not about making how much percentage, it's about I didn't lose my capital during this difficult month. And losing your capital means next month you have to recover your capital and then go forward. That is the biggest challenge. So if you don't make any money in a month, that is like a profit month for you, because you don't have to recover your losses. Anyways, we made around 24,000 rupees from the market in the month of June. And overall for this quarter, this is the first quarter of 2022-23 financial year. So overall, we made around 1.6 lakh rupees, and charges of course is a little bit higher. Anyways, I'm working on this to reduce charges. So slowly we will work on it. But anyways, I'm happy with what the risk reward ratio has given me, 1.66, and the money management has helped me to get 1 lakh overall out of the market. So this is what we got. So overall 5% is what we got from the market, and 3% after all taxes and charges. Happy that 3% upside, we are not 3% or 10% negative. So yes, a quarter has been done, and happy that I somehow managed to overcome this quarter, because a lot of option sellers will be knowing that how difficult this 3 months were. If you're following a lot of traders, you'll get an idea how drawdowns have pulled back, and a lot of adjustments were made to just come back from this level. So somehow I managed it positive this quarter. And during this phase, I learned a lot of things, because option selling, after like 1 or 2 years back when we started learning options, and slowly once I cleared exams and got strong with theory, and then doing back testings, and back testings will be showing results of 10-15% for a quarter, and overall for years 50% for a year and stuff. But when it comes to real market, what happens, one thing is there, that is the slippages are there, which we don't consider in back testing. And there are certain charges and taxes which goes higher. As and when you do adjustment, your charges are getting incurred, and you see the charges have went higher for me basically. So these are the few things which don't come in backtesting as per my experiences. So we need to, when you get certain result in backtesting, cut down a few percentage on these slippages and charges and taxes, and the volatility which was not there when I used to do backtesting, which came suddenly into the market because of this war and recession and stuff. Global news and everything is impacting, and stop loss are hitting very quickly, which used to not hit before. But luckily, as per my money management, I'm sticking to the rule. Because of that, I am protected here. If not, it would have gone to negative. So in the short period of time, I learned a lot of things, and I'm happy that I'm getting that experience, because this is when in these difficult times, if you're able to manage the market during a normal trending market, it is a little bit easier for you to make some money. Apart from that, in terms of backtesting, something which I don't see is that the greediness and that emotions which comes into picture when you trade in real. And you would have seen in my live trading video, once I just finished my trade, I just went to the gym so that I don't take one more trade. So this is what I did. Once the stop losses hit, almost 30,000 hit, I stopped my trading right away, and then just stepped out to gym or go out somewhere. So that's how I managed to protect myself not to take a trade and increase. Because yes, if I trade, I can recover my losses of 13,000. I can reduce the loss. But what if it goes higher? 30 can become 40, 45, 50. You are losing tomorrow's, that is next day's opportunity, right? So as per money management, you should not do that. So if you have to control yourself, you have to put certain actions. So I used to, go out, and you would have seen in my videos also, making a video shorts comedy on greediness and all that. Basically, these are situations I'm going through. These are the weaknesses which I go through, and I'm working upon it. And that's what I advise others also, work upon it, because as a human being, you get greedy. You cannot stop yourself, but certain actions can stop yourself. Certain practices can stop yourself. And as year passes, than before over trading, now I don't do over trading like before, and I have reduced all that issues now. And also I had done shorts on traders last month shorts along with my wife. So these are the situations we go through when the month was negative. Yes, as a human being, you feel difficult, you feel sad. We don't normally, people don't discuss because it's a sad thing. But yes, I used to not discuss. But as a YouTuber, being in this trading for so many years, now I am in a situation where I can share with people my situation. It's fine. I am in negative month because I believe in risk reward ratio. There are good days to come. So I believe in that. I have experienced that. That's the reason I'm able to make a joke and able to laugh at the situations. Before, I used to not able to even tell my losses to people. Slowly I started talking about losses about people. Slowly I started recording videos. Now I started showing my losses in the videos. So this is how I got stronger as a human being, because as a YouTuber, these things were possible for me, and I'm really happy that I've grown strong in terms of trading journey. And also these type of real situations are helping me to create certain contents, and a lot of people would have able to connect with these type of situations. That's the reason you would have seen a lot of views on this particular videos, because a lot of people can connect these situations. And yes, trading can be like a boring thing, but I'm trying to add little humor to it and trying to make it a little bit interesting in our channel. So that was more about my option selling journey till now, and learning a lot of things, and I'm also sharing with you guys, so you guys also start learning. These are the basic things which I'm following, which I'm sharing with you. These are the basic things I'm following, so follow those things and practice in the market. That's when you will see some improvement step by step. Maybe today I'm gonna hit 30 years this July 5th. Maybe another 4 5 years or 10 years, maybe my capital may increase, so that time this 1% or 5% what I'm going to make from the market is going to be bigger compared to the capital I'm having today. So it's not about capital what you have, whether you have 10,000, whether you have 30 lakh, whether you have 1 crore. It's not about that. It's about creating a setup like this and challenging and controlling your emotions right now. Make it a practice, like a daily routine, and slowly, if your capital increases, it's going to reward you. If you don't learn all these skills and just go and increase your capital, again the same story, you will lose the capital. So work upon yourself, work upon your setup, try to mix this both, whatever your capital is, and follow the money management rule and risk reward ratios and drawdowns and all that, which I have discussed, which can definitely help you in a long run. So hope this video was an eye opener for you guys, and also I just wanted to share my learning journey with you guys, if you guys are learning along with me, so that you can connect through me. So going forward, I will be sharing, like always I did, I'll be sharing what I do. Whenever I get time, I do contents and all that. I will definitely share with you guys, and hope it is liking you, or if you're liking it and you're learning from it, then you can hit that like button and subscribe button to this particular channel, because we have a lot of things to learn further. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon with one more learning video. Till then, take care, stay safe.